Are you a plus-size person wanting to ride Seven Dwarfs Mine Train? Let's go check it. Seven Dwarfs Mine Train is a family coaster located in Magic Kingdom in Walt Disney World. It usually is one of the most popular rides in the entire theme park, and actually requires an individual lightning lane, which means an individual cost to ride it. At least if you want to go in the express lightning lane. The standby lane is always available, but can get up to 2 hours long. It's obviously based on Snow White and Seven Dwarfs, and on the roller coaster, the seats actually can swing from side to side. There are 2 people in a row. These are bucket-style seats, and you must be 38 inches to ride. I'm currently 5'8" and 345 pounds with a 53-inch waist. For me, this has always been one of the tightest roller coasters, but I have lost quite a bit of weight. As you can see, the black bar has to come down over both legs, and if you have wide hips and legs, it can be a little bit tough. But let's get going, because I did fit on the ride, and I'll explain how snug it was afterwards. Obviously, I'm riding at night, so it's going to be a little bit dark for some of the ride, but you'll really enjoy the caves and the gems as we get over to all of the Seven Dwarfs mining. And as you come to the end, you will come to this little cottage with Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs dancing inside. This is a really fun ride where you get to see the castle, especially late at night, all lit up, and enjoy one of the great stories of Disney. I am really thrilled to say that does pass the fat test. Now, when I've ridden that before, I will tell you I had a much harder time with it. I've ridden it up to, I believe, about 58-inch waist. My waist is down to about 52-inch waist. I'm now 345 pounds still, but it was not near as uncomfortable as it used to be, and I am very glad it does pass the fat test. And if you're wondering, this is Jason Vaughn with Fat Tested Travel. I am 345 pounds now with a 52-inch waist, fat testing rides all over the world, so you can know what you can fit on.